Good morning and welcome to another vlog. Aj I am out and about. It's nice and sunny and actually I'm taking some pictures. A friend very kindly offered actually to help me take some pictures. So I'm just going to meet her. I got some flowers for the shoot. I think for the past week or so, and it's not just me I think who's feeling this way, but I've been feeling so demotivated, and I just think firstly there's a pandemic going on, so that on top of that obviously everything that's going on with the Palestine issue, and then of course everyone has their own personal life things going on, which can just sometimes get a little overwhelming. So actually last night I was talking to Laila about this and I said, I don't feel like doing anything. I don't feel like being on social media. I don't feel like taking pictures, and she said, just push yourself to do it and you will feel better once you are actually doing it. And I do think I agree. Once I did get dressed today and I came out, I actually do feel much better. Kal मैं actually consider करी थी कि मैं अपनी दोस्त को मना कर दूँ, but then I thought it's very rude to cancel last minute. Like she's taking out time on a weekday to do this for me, और मैं last minute पे कहूँगी oh like I'm going through so much, I can't show up. I mean, it's completely normal if you're going through things and you can't show up, but in my case I felt like I can push through those feelings and I can actually have a nice day. So yeah, I completely lost my train of thought. But anyway, it's such a nice time to be here because लोगों के lunch break है, but the thing is that अभी इतने लोग offices में है नहीं, so it's not too crowded. It's just a few people here and there, and it's reminding me of when I used to work and have solitary lunches, especially London में. There used to be this one park that I used to go to every single day. और मैं वहाँ अकेले छुप के lunch करती थी because I really enjoy eating, especially having lunch on my own. Anyway, now I'm just going to find my friend and start shooting. This here is Checkpoint Charlie. So this used to be one of the main checkpoints between East and West Germany. The sign you just saw is a marking of the old Berlin Wall. The street I live on actually used to be a part of the wall. तो उसके एक तरफ East Germany था और East Berlin basically, और दूसरी तरफ West Berlin था. And where we live kind of used to be no man's land or something like that. It was an empty plot, so now there's apartments there. But that's a brief little history lesson for you. It's so funny. Whenever I used to hear Checkpoint Charlie, तो मुझे लगता था कि बड़ा मतलब कोई checkpoint होगा ना, like Pakistani style, बहुत से soldiers and क्या कुछ. And it's just like this tiny little hut with a McDonald's on one side and a KFC on one side, which is ironic. But yeah, now I'm almost home, so I will see you guys in a bit. So basically सड़क के साथ साथ ये दो ईंटें जा रही हैं, and this you will see in many parts of Berlin, and this is where the wall used to be, so I'm technically walking on the wall right now. Anyway, now I'm just going to chill for the rest of the evening. I will see you guys tomorrow though, so keep watching. The sofa is here and it even came assembled, जो कि मैंने तो बिल्कुल expect भी नहीं किया था. But yeah, it is now time for my weekly go to the park to meet friends situation. So that's what I'm doing, and then when I go back I'm actually going to enjoy the sofa. So I am home now, just folding my laundry. मैं अपनी कुछ footage दोबारा से अभी edit करते हुए देख रही थी, and I thought I would address something. which is that this world is a very heavy place in general, but right now, you know, there's a pandemic. On top of that, there's so much going on. So many people have experienced loss. I have experienced loss in my personal life, but YouTube मेरे लिए एक escape होता है. I watch vlogs as a form of, you know, detaching from my personal life. मैं बहुत enjoy करती हूँ कि मैं, you know, 10 मिनट 15 मिनट आधे घंटे के लिए किसी और की जिंदगी का हिस्सा observer बन जाऊँ. And you know, I really like that I'm able to distance myself from the world and everything that's going on in here. And I want, because I enjoy so much, you know, deriving that positive energy from vlogs, and I value that so much in my day. If I'm having a bad day, one of the first thoughts to my mind में आती है कि okay, I'll go on YouTube and watch a vlog, and that will calm me down. And I want this to be a place like that as well, and that's why some people might be wondering, why hasn't she addressed anything serious in the vlogs? You know, does she not care about what's going on in the world? Why is she you know, just showing the fun things in her life? Obviously everyone has bad days, so do I. हर किसी के होते हैं, मगर जिस दिन, पहली बात तो ये बहुत सिंपल है, जिस दिन आपका दिन बुरा गुजरा होता है, आपका कैमरा उठाने का दिल नहीं करता. I did not film on Monday and Tuesday. But the other thing is, this is also a bit of a deliberate effort, because I don't want, I'm addressing this now and I will try not to do it again, because I know so many people use social media as an escape. You know, if I'm having a bad day, I don't want to come here and like give you the whole spiel ke kya kya hua. But if I'm having a nice day, that's what I want to share. I hope that makes sense to people. If that's not something that you want, if that's not the kind of content you want, feel free to not watch the vlog. So that's what I wanted to say. I'm just going to fold my laundry and then start cooking dinner. I've been sat on the sofa reading my book. Highly recommend, very interesting. Also, I just posted on Instagram, and usually after I post, अगला 1 घंटा मैं comments का reply करती हूँ. If you are a blogger starting out, especially, this is something that I highly recommend you do. इससे 2-3 चीज़ें होती हैं. एक तो you're able to kind of build a community, because I mean, I personally, if I comment on someone's picture or if I tag them and they reply, it makes my day, and I appreciate that so much, and I know so many people do. And obviously DM में आप हर DM का जवाब नहीं दे सकते, but comments at least शुरू का 1 घंटा आप सब comments का जवाब दे सकते हैं. So post at a time when you're free to reply to comments. The other thing it also does is that it helps with the reach of your post. देखें, आपने तो content बना के लगा दिया, but people have so much content to consume. उसमें से अगर वो एक चीज़ पे, you know, देख रहे हैं, and then it takes a minute to type a comment, think of a comment, say something nice. And if they're doing that, they're taking time out for you. It's something that you should always appreciate. And the best way to do that is just to reply to their comment. So I would really recommend to always reply to comments. So that's what I'm going to do for the next hour. This is something I have been doing for the past 2 years. And I think it's a best practice when it comes to Instagram. Saturday. कल यहाँ पे एक्चुअली रेस्टोरेंट्स खुले हैं. सो आफ्टर 6 or 7 months at least, we just went to a restaurant. It was so much fun, and because we still need COVID tests to do all these things, we thought कि test हुआ हुआ है, so let's go to a museum. So the last few clips that you guys saw were actually from a museum, and I don't want to waste my test at all. So now I'm also going shopping, because I think I need to do that. It's been a while since I went inside the shop again, 6 or 7 months, and I have a test today. So I'm really hopeful कि अब मुझे घुसने दें बगैर अपॉइंटमेंट के. Let's see. I am making my way towards the shops. दोस्तों प्लीज़ मेरी छतरी का हाल मुलाहिजा करें. बारिश का और आपकी बहन का मुकाबला चल रहा है भिटाई में. बारिश इज़ नॉट स्टॉपिंग, पर मैं भी क्यों से नहीं निकल रही. नो वे. लोगों को दिखाती हूँ what I got from Primark. So I got this black bag. It's so cute, very 90s. And then to go with the bag, actually, I got these shoes. So the two options were either black bag and black shoes or nude bag and nude shoes. I went for black just because it's like I wear a lot of black, clearly. So in my last video on self-care, मैंने actually इस बारे में बात की थी कि I don't use shopping as a crutch to feel better anymore. And what that means is like 5 years ago, when I used to go to Primark, तो मैं कम से कम 100-150 pound खर्च के निकलती थी. And obviously in that moment, like, you feel so good because you go home and you have like a big bag of things to enjoy, but then you feel so bad when you look at where all your money went and then you calculate कि अच्छा मतलब you know इतने पैसे Primark में लग गए. So what I do now, this is my trick, is I give myself a budget before entering the store, and for the past 1 year it's been a 20 euro budget. एक तो मैं जाती बहुत कम हूँ Primark. I go once like every 3-4 months, but then I give myself a 20 euro budget, and then whatever I like within that budget I will buy. So these two things combined were 21 euros, which is fine, I think. But I never overspend. Like 1-2 euro is fine, but I never go up like to 50 euros even, because I just feel that is so important to give yourself that budget. मतलब बालों का तो क्या सीन चल रहा है. I mean, आज तो मैं बालों को blame भी नहीं कर सकती for being stupid. It was literally so windy. Anyway, now I think we have some friends coming over. Also, another thing that some people ask me is, do you feel lonely here? Yes and no. Okay, so no in the sense that पहले yes बताती हूँ. Yes in the sense that I miss my family. So I miss my house, I miss my family, and especially जब बहुत time गुजर जाता है. I mean, I came here in April, I believe, और फिर मैं December तक यहीं पे थी. So towards the end, that feeling of missing home and missing my family just got very, very intense, and I did really desperately want to go to Pakistan. But I don't feel like lonely in the sense कि मैं यहाँ अकेली हूँ, and the reason for that probably is that I have worked very hard to make this place feel like home. And that means I've tried to learn the language. I have made a very conscious effort to make friends. So, you know, people जिनको मैं साल पहले जानती भी नहीं थी, they're such good friends now. I also started my internship last year, and again that was one of the reasons I wanted to do that, was ताकि मैं घर से निकलूँ और मैं लोगों से मिलूँ और मैं यहाँ पे बेहतर integrate कर सकूँ, and I'm not sitting at home thinking about how I'm so lonely. And of course, on top of that, I'm very lucky that I have a great, you know, friendship with my husband. So anyway, like, we're chilling all the time. Even if it's just the two of us, it's still fun. And then of course we have all these friends to rely on. So no, I don't feel lonely, but I do miss home. And I think that's just how life is. You have to, you know, make your peace with it. Ki theek hai, this is how my emotions are, and this is what it is. Anyway, now we actually have some friends coming over, so I'm gonna go now, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.